After a few road trips, we're kind of learning the ropes. One thing that we really found we needed is a reliable first aid kit for the car. That way it's everywhere we are. It's just easy. We're always gonna have our car, so we're always gonna have the first aid kit. Perfect. Now to find one that has everything we need. Enter, keep going. I got ours in flamingo because it's adorable and reminds me of vacation. It has 130 pieces in it. Couple of things. This kit is 100% latex free. It is HSA and FSA eligible. No matter what cute case you get, they're all very durable, all water and stain resistant. Let's open it up. I mean, just yes. So over here, we've got hydrocortisone, tape roll, everything is just perfectly labeled. Nosebleed plug, you never know. Hand sanitizers, Band-Aids, butterfly closures, fun bandages for the kiddos, make them feel better, obviously. Burn gel, lip balm. Over here you have cleansing wipes for both a non-sting related injury and then a sting relief pad. Over here you have some triple antibiotics, some more bandages, and then tick remover kit. This label came on the kit and I held on to it because I don't know the first thing about removing a tick, but thankfully they'll tell me how. And then in here you have the little mini pair of scissors. You never know when you're going to need these. I bring a pair on vacation with us usually, so it's actually nice that I don't have to do that. Got some cotton swabs, safety pins, and then there's like a little mini sewing kit in here as well. And then the icing on the cake, you've got some stickers for the kiddos if they're just in a miserable mood, and that happens on vacation for sure. It's a lot of time in the car. Use them generously. This is their Go kit. They have a smaller kit and then also an even larger one, but this is like the perfect size for a diaper bag, a hiking backpack, in your car for road trips, if you have a camper. Might even want the bigger one if you have a camper. Lots of cute prints. Get something the kiddos will love. It'll be a whole experience for the whole family.